भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 39, सिक्स्थ कारिका, टीका, इंट्रोडक्शन। एष योनि इत्यत्र प्राज्ञस्य प्रपंचकारणत्वं प्रतिज्ञातम्। Up till now, whatever 5 karikas that we saw, they were associated with first 5 mantras, or mainly second and third, fourth, fifth. Now 6th mantra karikas are 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. These 4 karikas are Yesha Yoni Sarvasya Prabhavapyayo hi Bhutanam. On this shabdas of the mantra, 6th mantra, here that is the connection. Esha Yonihi from 6th mantra, iti atra prajnasya, prajna word is used, not Ishwarasya. So prajna, Ishwara, Aikya. Prajnasya prapancha karanatvam. Prajna is karanam for prapancha. Pratignatam. Pratigna was done there. Tatra. Satkaryam, asatkaryam, prati va karanatvam. Now karana is there, but karana of satkarya or karana of asatkarya? Iti sandehe nirdharayitum arabhate. So when such doubt is there, then for the nirdharanam, for the proper logical conclusion, these karikas have been taken up. Prabhavah sarva bhavanam satamiti vinishchayah सर्वं जनयति प्राणश चेतोंशून् पुरुषः पृथक् प्रभवः सर्वभावानां सर्वभावानां सताम और सताम सर्वभावानां प्रभवः इति विनिश्चयः। सताम सर्वभावानां, all things which are sat, their only utpatti is the conclusion of wise people. सताम सर्वभावानां प्रभवः। प्राणः पुरुषः सर्वं जनयति, चेतोंशून् पृथक् जनयति। प्राणः पुरुषः, प्राण पुरुष, they are synonyms, means Ishvara. Here you understand, Purusha means Uttama Purusha, and Prana we already discussed, Avyakrita. Sarvam Janayati, it produces everything, and Chetonshun Pruthak Janayati, and it separately produces Chit Pratibimba, means Jiva. So Jagat Utpatti also and Jiva Utpatti also is from Ishvara. Tika Tatra Avantar Bhedam Aha. So Avantar Bheda means in the creation there are two distinctions. What is that Bheda? They are Vijatiya Vastu. Jagat is Jada and Jivas are Chaitanya Swarupa. So there is Viruddha Swabhava, that is the Bheda, Avantara Bheda. And then within Jiva there is Sajatiya Bheda. Within Jagat there is Sajatiya Bheda. Purusho hi सर्वम अचेतनम जगत उपाधिभूतम तमः प्रधानम गृहीत्वा जनयति. पुरुषः सर्वम जनयति. पुरुष produces everything. What? Achetanam jagat. So this is all in Prakarana Grantha, Srishti Kriya, what is explained. Upadhibhutam tamah pradhanam grihitva. From the tamoguna pradhana, jagat is created. In that tamoguna pradhana, there is some sattva, there is some rajas, and there is tamas, everything. अतः एव पुरुषे कारणवाची प्राणपदम प्रयुज्यते. In Purusha, this Karana Vachi Padam, Prana Padam is used. Second number tippani, Upadhi Bhutam Tapmo Ajnanam Pradhanam Yatha Syat Tatha Grihitva Pradhanyena Upadaya Ityartha. It just says Ajnanam is what is produced, and in Purusha the Pranapada is used. So Pranapada is to indicate something which is life, produces matter, not matter producing matter, not Pradhanam, not Paramanu, not any other thing, not sanghata. We saw one shloka in Sankshepa Shariraka. Sanghatavadaha kanabhakshapakshaha. आरंभवादः कणभक्षपक्षः संघातवादस्तु भदन्तपक्षः सांख्यादिपक्षः परिणामवादः वेदांतपक्षस्तु विवर्तवादः. आरंभवाद कणभक्षपक्षः. आरंभवाद is कणाद वैशेषिक मतं, means न्याय वैशेषिक. संघातवाद is बौद्ध मत. So in all of them matter is there which produces matter. Sankhya Paksha Parinamavada, same, they have Prakriti. So to separate Vedanta Matam from all of them, Prana Shabda is used. A living entity produces everything. एवं स च चैतन्य प्रधानस चेतसः चैतन्यस्य अंशुवत् अवस्थितान् प्रतिबिंबकल्पान् जीवान् आभासभूतान् उत्पादयति. ऑल द्वितीय बहुवचन. एवं सः, सः पुरुषः भूतान उत्पादयति, it produces beings, living beings. Cha, also. Who are these bhutan? Chaitanya amshuvat. So that purusha is chaitanya pradhana. Sa cha chaitanya pradhana. That is prathama ekvachanam. Chetasaha chaitanyasya amshuvad avasthitan. Chetasaha being chaitanya rupa. Chetasaha will be द्वितीय बहुवचन also for jiva. Chetasaha chaitanyasya amshuvad avasthitan. Those who are the small parts of chaitanya in the form of pratibimba kalpan, jivan, abhasabhut, chidabhasa. So this manyness you see, and you see that there are different jivas, they all are there to give you sukha dukkha. Whether you like them or not, they are there to give you more and more vairagya. That is the only objective, if you understand. And also remember, we know everything is mithya, but this mithya vastu can give you so much sorrow unnecessarily until somehow that phase is over and you get out of it. And then you say, where did I end up? But at that time, this mithya vastu can trouble you. Mithya trouble, but trouble until you know it is mithya, it is bhayankara. So chidabhasas, all other chidabhasa and jagat, they are there to give you their fair share of vairagya. This should be our understanding. They are there for their purpose, whatever they want to do. But for me, if they are there in my life and they are just inevitable, then only reason I should understand is I need more vairagya, that's all. एवं चेतनात्मकम अशेषम जगत, चेतन रूप जगत एंड अचेतन रूप जगत, चेतनात्मकम अशेषम जगत असंकीर्णम, संकीर्णम मीन्स ऑल ग्रुप टुगेदर, फोल्डेड, असंकीर्णम मीन्स एक्सपैंडेड, संपादयति इत्यर्थः, ही अकम्प्लिशेस ईश्वर. Up to this is the meaning of the Karika by Anand Giriji. Now Anand Giriji's Tika is in connection with Bhashya, and Bhashya will be on Tika now. Nanu satam bhavanam sattvadeva prabho na sambhavati ati prasangat iti ashankya purvardham vyachaste. Satam bhavanam, because the shloka begins with prabhava sarva bhavanam satam. This is sad vastu. Why their utpatti is required? What is already there, why it has to have utpatti? Satam bhavanam satvat eva prabhavo na sambhavati. If they are already there, why their prabhava, utpatti is possible? Na sambhavati. I would say no. Can you hear me? Yes. So signal becomes weak, like how our mithyatva buddhi in Jagat sometimes becomes weak. Then again it becomes okay. Again we know Jagat is mithya. So if something which is already there, why would its utpatti happen? And if you accept that, then what will happen? Ati prasanga. What is ati prasanga? Then Atma is also existing. Anything which is existing, if you accept its utpatti, everything that is there, Atma is also existing. Atma's utpatti you will accept. Then once it is again existing, again you will say it will have utpatti. This is ati prasanga. इति आशंक्य पूर्वार्धम व्याचष्टे. भाष्य. सताम विद्यमानानाम स्वेन अविद्याकृत नाम रूप माया स्वरूपेण सर्वभूतानाम. So satam means vidyamananam. So this is now the question is about Satkaryavada or Asatkaryavada. So Vedantins we will accept Satkaryavada when we want to talk about creation. Svena avidyakrita nama rupa maya swarupena. By itself they are avidyakrita. They are created only out of ignorance. Now ignorance means Mula Vidya. Or if you take avidya as avarana and maya further in that line as vikshepa. So avarana krita nama rupa vikshepa rupena. Because vikshepa shakti produces, because there is avarana. So avidyakrita nama rupa maya swarupena. Third line in Bhashya you see, same word is there. Rajju sarpadinam avidyakrita maya bija utpannanam. So avidyakrita, they are caused by avidya and their bij is maya. Means avarana is there and then vikshepa shakti produces everything. शक्ति द्वयम ही मायायाः विक्षेपावृत्ति पूर्वकम विक्षेप शक्तिर्लिंगादि ब्रह्मांडांतम जगत सृजेत सृष्टिर्नाम ब्रह्म रूपे सच्चिदानंद वस्तुनि एवं बहिश्च ब्रह्मसर्गयोः आवृणोत्यपराशक्तिः सा संसारस्य कारणम्. वेरी गुड. सो अविद्याकृत नाम रूप माया स्वरूपेण मीन्स दिस. 1 नंबर टिप्पणी स्वेन इति स्वीय वास्तव स्वरूपेण अधिष्ठानात्मना इति यावत्. स्वीय वास्तव स्वरूपेण अधिष्ठानात्मना. सो इन इट्स एसेंशियल नेचर वास्तव स्वरूपेण adhishtanam alone is their essential nature. In this way their vastava swarupam is actually Brahma. Just as Rajata, which is appearing in Shukti, its vastava swarupam is Shukti only. All other descriptions that you give about Rajata, vastava swarupa is adhisthana. This is the main thing. You catch this, you are free. You get entangled in everything else. More and more Vishesha Nama, more and more Vishesha Rupa and more Jhanjat. There is bandhana only. अविद्याकृत नाम रूप माया स्वरूपेण सर्वभावानां विश्व तैजस प्राज्ञ भेदानां प्रभवः. सर्वभावानां actually, so in the first line पूर्वार्ध जीवा and jagat bheda is not there. In uttarardha he creates that bheda. So sarva bhavanam, when it is said, then you take all jagat also and jiva also. Vishwa Tejasa Prajna, so you understand Vishwa Tejasa Prajna of mantra number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Not Vishwa Tejasa Prajna of Vyashti. Here Vishwa Tejasa Prajna means shloka mantra number 3, 4, 5, 6. So it covers everything, whole Brahmanda. Prabhavaha utpattihi. Tika. स्वेन अधिष्ठानात्मना विद्यमानानाम एव अविद्याकृतम मायामयम आरोपित स्वरूपम तेन प्रभवः संभवति इत्यर्थः. स्वेन अधिष्ठानात्मना, in their nature they are actually adhisthana रूप only. अधिष्ठानात्मना विद्यमानानाम, they are really there as ब्रह्म स्वरूप. अविद्याकृतम मायामयम आरोपित स्वरूपम. Mayamayam means you understand magical, illusory, apparent. Avidyakritam, caused by ignorance. Mayamayam aropita swarupam tena prabhava sambhavati. By that utpatti is possible. असद जन्म निरसनम अंतरेण कथम सज्जन्म निर्धारयितुं शक्यम इति आशंका. असत असत वस्तु, असत जन्म निरसनम अंतरेण, without negating. Nirasana means negation, antarena means without negation of asad vastu's janma. How will you say it is janma of sat vastu? Sat janma nirdharayitum katham shakyam. So he says vakshyati. Now this vakshyati cha in bhashya, actually it is a later karika which is quoted. Vandhya putro na tattvena maya vapi jayate. Vandhya putra's utpatti is not possible either in reality or out of maya. In other words, asat vastu, Vandhya putra is asat. Asat vastu utpatti is not possible. Therefore, sadvastu's utpatti alone is possible. So sat janma is accepted because asat janma is not possible. Now how sat janma is possible? It is maya. टीका. जन्मनः पूर्वं सर्वस्य सत्त्वे च कारण व्यापार साध्यत्व असिद्धेर मिथ्यात्वे च कथम सतामेव प्रभवो भावानाम इति आशंक्याः. जन्मनः पूर्वं, बिफोर उत्पत्ति, सर्वस्य सत्त्वे. जन्मनः पूर्वं, बिफोर उत्पत्ति, इफ everything was already there, सर्वस्य सत्त्वे च कारण व्यापार साध्यत्व असिद्धेः. Then what is this कारण going to do? कारण व्यापार means, you take in example, घट before utpatti, is it already there or not? It is there because we will have to accept that we are Satkaryavadins. It is already there, unmanifest, avyakrita, and then it comes into manifestation. Then why do you need clay? Somebody will say, if it is already there, why do you need karana? Why do you need kulala, danda, chakra, whatever things are there? You are already there. That is this question raised. Asat Karyavadi must have asked this question. Janmanah purvam sarvasya sattve. If you are saying everything was there before it is created, then जन्मनः सत्वे, जन्मनः पूर्वं सर्वस्य सत्वे च कारण व्यापार साध्यत्व असिद्धेः. कारण व्यापार is nothing to do. मिथ्यात्वे च कथम सतामेव प्रभवो भावानाम इति आशंक्याः. Then how come? Yes, can you hear? Can you all hear? ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।